Project Olympus, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Olympus is painted full gloss Santorini black with black accents. Olympus sits on 37-inch Maxxis Trepador wheels with wide arch flares. This 110 crew cab features an X-Lander front grille, full external roll cage, and a 20-inch light bar mounted on the front with 2 mini light bars at the rear. Inside, Olympus features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau trail-cap front seats, and a Puma bench mid-row. In the truck bed, we have 2 decorative inward-facing benches wrapped in black vinyl. Each seat is finished in fluted vertical line Garrett Cadence licorice leather stitched together in black. This 110 crew cab is powered by a GM LT1 450 horsepower V8 engine with 10-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle also features an array of modern touches such as Sony Halo head unit with JL audio speakers, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB charging ports throughout.